Hey buddy, welcome to Visit.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the population of a city is given and the number of adults in the city is also given. So we have to find the number of children. So number of children plus number of adults will be equal to the population. So children will be equals population, which is 7821407 minus the number of adults, which is 2362686. Okay, so let's carry out the calculation. So we have 7821407 and we have 2362686. Okay, now 7 minus 6 will give us 1, 0 minus 8 will give us 2, and we have 1 as a carry. Add that carry to 6, so 6 will become 7. Again 4 minus 7 will give us 7, and we have again 1 as a carry, so add that carry to 2, so 2 will become 3. So 1 minus 3 will give us 8. Again we have 1 as a carry, so add that carry to 6, so 6 will become 7. So 2 minus 7, so 2 will get converted to 12, so 12 minus 7 will be 5. Again we have 1 as a carry, so add that carry to 3, so 3 will become 4. Now 8 minus 4 will become 4, and 7 minus 2 will become 5. So number of children will be equals 5458721. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.